Want to know how to remove your note and your location in Instagram? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Instagram application and you should be provided with your note that should be looking just like this right here. So once you have opened up your note here, you should be seeing your note. So you can just simply select it, which shows your location as well. So as you can see, Kathmandu Nepal with your coin note. So now in order to delete your note, right beside or right below leave a new note, you should be seeing delete note. So you can just simply select delete note right here and then your note should be deleted. So if you want to further disable your location as well, just simply hit towards map and then just simply select share location and then select no one and then select on delete on back on and you should be good. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.